Over the past months, we've gone around asking present investors and prospective investors on some of the questions that they would have regarding entrance into investments or some of the challenges that they can experience. In this series, we're going to respond to each and every one of those questions. Welcome to Nabo Capital. My name is Wangeci Kihara, a private wealth advisor.
Okay, I would ask about the hottest investment avenues in the market right now, and the kind of returns which they expect to return, and also would ask about the kind of risks that investors are subjected to in the Kenyan space, with the presumption, of course, that most of your investment advising thing is local. I don't care much about the global risks and stuff like that. Right. Just the risks in the Kenyan space and how you can mitigate against them as far as protecting investors' finances is concerned.
So in terms of hottest, I'm making the assumption we are looking at it from an aspect of return. Let's keep in mind that the higher the risk, the higher the return. It's the risk trade-off. So currently, based on the statistics that we've been given in Kenya, we've seen that the fixed income investments or the bonds are giving the highest levels of returns in the traditional asset classes. You're looking at returns between 10% and 13%. And in this case, you can invest directly through CBK or you can do it indirectly. We've mentioned that in a previous episode. Indirectly would be to invest through a Nabo income fund, which returns range from around 10% to 11.5%. We cannot ignore the aspect of the global impact to our investments locally, because we've seen COVID-19, we've seen Ukraine, Russia, we've also seen the inflation risk in the US affecting Kenya. Right now, the highest levels of risk we are looking at is in Kenya, inflation is currently at 8.3. So anytime you're going to look at an investment, it needs to give you a return that is higher than 8.3. You also need to look at the exchange rate risk. Right now, the Kenyan shilling is 120 against a dollar. So those are some of the risks that you need to consider when you're choosing an investment class. Would love to hear back from you in terms of the other investment classes that you've invested into. Give us your comments on the comment section below.